Do you know, 77% of megaprojects around the globe are running behind schedule? Time constraints are a regular and unavoidable occurrence in project management. However, you, a project manager, are expected to deliver results while dealing with schedule constraints. For successful completion, all you need to know is how to trade off between these constraints. The time constraint refers to the project's deadline for completion, including the date for the rollout of the final deliverable. The actual reason behind the project constraints is driven by a specific business environment and market conditions. These constraints are usually imposed by the client, and the company do not have much control over defining these constraints. Through proper management and being adaptable to changes, you can stay on top of things and ensure on-time delivery of projects. So, the question is, how do we manage schedule constraints? Hi, my name is VJ, and I am the founder of ProjectsMind.com, and today we would learn the 5-step strategy to efficiently manage the project schedule. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. Managing schedule constraints starts with identifying the project activities. The first step should be defining your project activities. These are basically the activities that the team would be working on throughout the project to achieve project goals. A big picture conversation with your sponsor is needed to gain information on the expectations and goals. Then project team build on this idea and recommend a list of activities and scope of work. In this step, detailed requirements are determined, which leads to the creation of the WBS and WBS directory. Once you finalize the list of activities, next thing is to sequence them. Sequencing of activities would be defined by how logically you can execute the work. This should be done based on input from all the functions, with consideration of respective functions' work methodology and processes. From day one, a project manager should manage the schedule expectations of all functional owners. Always build in a reasonable buffer for each activity. Project managers should explain why a schedule is not realistic, and provide a working sequence built on reliable projections for resource constraints and dependencies on deliverables. The next step is to estimate the duration of each project activity. You should consider experience from another project where similar activities are done in recent years. Estimating activity duration is critical to come up with a realistic schedule. An underestimated duration will require additional resources and cost overrun. There are a number of factors that lead to setting unrealistic expectations, like lack of careful planning, ineffective communication between all the participants involved in the project. The fourth step is to determine the project's critical path. The critical path activities would help you to identify those activities which cannot be delayed. These activities require the most attention for on-time delivery. This can be easily done in schedule management software like Primavera P6 or MS projects. The fifth step is monitoring the schedule and communicating the progress. Project status reports should be more than just red, yellow, green, or % complete. It should clearly indicate which activities are late and critical for the project schedule. Also, the possible solutions to resolve issues related to the schedule. The sixth step is implementing the solutions or mitigation actions to bring back the schedule on track. The team should have a frequent review of the forecasted activity's duration and keep eye on late activities. There is not a single solution to getting a project schedule back on track. There are several tactics that can be used standalone or in combination to manage these schedule constraints. Even if you are assigned an existing delayed project, you can utilize the above steps to get it on track. Each project is unique in one or another way. As a project manager, it's your duty to understand the specific circumstances of the project and approach the schedule challenges accordingly. The seventh step is managing schedule risks. All project schedules should reflect uncertainty. Managing your schedule risks and incorporating flexibility into your schedule is key factors to prevent project delays. Knowing how long the project will take is one of the essential components that go into making a great project manager. The client will always want to know when specific tasks will be completed. The project manager will need to consider all the potential delays that might happen along the way. Incorrect estimates can bring numerous additional problems to the project, especially if it involves bigger groups of people. Discussions about deadline setting, time-consuming factors, and the impact of missing deadlines with the team are key for successful project management. And now you know how to successfully manage your project schedule. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend. And if you would like to know more about project schedule management, then visit us at ProjectsMind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And, don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.